Woof! Is your furry friend ready for seasonal adventures? Let's make sure they're prepped for both summer and winter. In summer, hydration is key. Always carry water during walks and watch out for signs of overheating. Hot paws? Protect those pads with dog booties or paw wax. Shade and cool spots are a must, so create a comfy chill zone at home. Winter wonders? Keep your furry buddy warm with a cozy doggy coat. Ice and salt can be rough on paws, so rinse and check them after outings. Hydration's still important, even in the cold. And don't forget, a little extra food helps them stay warm. Year-round tip regular vet visits keep your pup in top shape. With these tips, your doggo will be happy and healthy, no matter the season. Now go give your best friend a belly rub. Hit subscribe for more pawsome tips. See you soon.